question. Mom, say hi. Michael.
We just rounded on rolling NRTs again. The necrosis is further to break in. That's 4 patients, more additional procedures necessary in case you're keeping score.
Grandma, say hi. I got you to say hi. What? I wasn't. I was taking a picture of Milo. I mean, not Milo. Sassy.